Hello guys, so today we're going to see a shell type. So how to make a shell like the Sydney shell we can see. So that in our Revit search. Now go to new architectural browser or the architectural template, right? So here we can see. So we can keep our full screen. So firstly we need to add the units, right? So go to UN, select this centimeters, okay and okay. So project like this, we need to use the massing insert, right? So go to massing insert. We're going to create in place mass. So click it as shell. Okay. So we need to create a reference planes, right? So go to reference plane. So draw some one and one more, right? So go to distance. So we're going to take as 100, right? Go to UI, go to these 2 meters. Okay, this has 10 meters, right? So select this and we'll give this name as number 1. We'll name this as number 2, right? Apply. So this allows us to select the reference easier, right? So now we will go to our south elevation. So here we can see the reference. We'll go to a model line. So the we'll choose the reference plane number 1 and okay. So we'll take some. So we're going to create a line. I'm going to create basically a center line. Right now go to arc from here to here, so we'll select like this. So we can mirror this by axis, right? So this. So this is our axis. So we now mirror, right? So straight line. So it's split element. So split element. Here to this mirror axis. Select this one, mirror axis, select this one, so it is delete, right? So we now deleted this, right? So we have this, right? So now again go to model line. So we have this, right? So now select the line, go to set, and now select the point number 2. Okay. So we will click draw on work plane. So we will draw one like this. So go to arch, and we will go to, so we can draw like this, or we can select the pick lines and draw an offset, right? 2 meters, right? So select this. So we go to 3D. So here we can see all the control to select the multiple. So go to create, go create form. So we will get something like this, right? So we can actually select and we can move it around, right? If we need anything, right? So we will need to do that, right? So we have done that. So if you go to finish max, so we're going to select this, right? So we're going to finish mass. So okay. So again go to massing inside. So for wall, so you can select by roof or wall. We are going to wall by face. So here we have to select the thicker wall, that is 300. So choose these two faces. So we're going to show them the shadows, right? So this is the principle of geometry like this. So in Revit we can create this type of like this, right? Thank you for the video. So if you want to add any materials, you can add this, right? So go to edit. So go to category. So here you can select the wood. Select the wood. Go to the appearance replace. So here you can select which wood we want. You can select, right? So select this Ronalco. Okay. You go to realistic. So now here you can see the top, right? So like this, you can create this type of structures in our Revit. So you can select, see how we have drawn this. This kind of structures can be created, right? Thank you.